the 2024 Paris Olympics draws near, Filipino athletes competing in the Summer Games are now 20 in total, adding 5 qualified athletes this week. Here's Mia Layagin in the world of sports.
For sports news, the Philippine roster for the upcoming 2024 Paris Olympics are now up to 20 from the 15 Filipino lineup last week. Adding to the lineup were athletes from golf, swimming, and judo category.
Almost a month before the 2024 Paris Olympics, Filipino athletes representing the country in the Summer Games are now 20 in total. From the 15 lineup last week, there are already 20 athletes at the present, adding 5 new names in the list. Filipina golfers Bianca Pagdanganan and Dottie Adrina successfully claimed their Olympic spots after securing the 35th and 55th place at the top 60 golfers to qualify in the Summer Games. Following this, Pagdanganan marks her return to the Olympic stage after participating in Tokyo Games, while Adrina renews Olympic journey after missing Rio Games due to Zika virus. Meanwhile, adding to the Paris-bound list are swimmers Kayla Sanchez and Jarrod Hatch, being recipients of universality places from the World Aquatics. Sanchez and Hatch are set to compete for 100-meter freestyle and 100-meter butterfly. Upon approval of the request, the two can compete for additional events such as 100-meter backstroke and 100-meter freestyle respectively. Catching in line is judo athlete Kiyomi Watanabe, who makes a return to the Olympic stage for women's 60-kilogram event.
And that's the latest update for the Philippines in the Paris Games. This is Mia Layagin. Back to you, Alvin and Criza.